Welcome back to the Smith residence. So we've calibrated our site. We're going to go shoot our house corners that they laid out for us, and we're going to import this PDF. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my satellite, upper right hand corner. I'm going to turn my tilt comp on. So I'm going to hit yes, we're going to hit accept. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to walk over there while this gets itself oriented. Alright, we're at our first point. We got our tilt comp on. We're going to go right to the bottom of the stake. We're going to take a shot at that. So for the point name, I like to use numbers because they go up sequentially. Point code, put house corner. I'm actually going to make this just a feature point. So yep, take that shot. So there's number one. Kind of come over to my other corner that I have here. I'm going to take a shot there. Feature point again. Now, I have a PDF, and I know that this is 23 feet apart between these 2 points. Pull that PDF up right here. There's our house plan. They gave us this front wall that's 23 feet. So what I'm going to do, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my hamburger menu. I'm going to go to my Kogo. I'm going to go to create points and arcs. And I'm actually going to go down to, I'm going to hit my question mark. We're going to do point bearing distance. We're going to start on point 1. I'm going to hit accept. I'm actually going to touch to point 2. That's going to give me my deflection angle. And we can see that we're just over 23 feet. So I'm going to just change that manually to 23 feet and force it. I'm going to hit accept. I'm going to give this a point code of corner computed. Accept. I'm going to exit out of this. So I hit the X in upper right hand corner. I'm going to press and hold on these points. I'm going to actually just delete point 2. Now we just have our 2 points 23 feet apart. Next thing I'm going to do is I know that I want these points at finished floor elevation of 100. I can see this on my PDF right there. So I'm going to manually change and press and hold. Edit data. I'm going to drop down this little elevation and change it to 100. I'm going to do the same thing with the other one. This is going to be important so that when we go to draw our house in, it will carry this elevation all the way around at all the points. So we have our 2 points. Next thing to do is to anchor a PDF on them. I'm going to hit the cogwheel on the right side. I'm going to hit images. I'm going to check the box for display background image. I'm going to hit the little plus sign. And now I just have to find where I have this stored. And I know that it's on the desktop. So bear with me while I get to the desktop. Desktop. There it is right there. It's going to import that PDF. That's what looks right. And now it's going to ask us, because we don't have a place to anchor, it's going to ask, do you want to anchor this? We're going to say yes. Bring us to screen. Now we're going to figure out which points are which. So I know that house corner 1, if I pinch to zoom over here, zoom in, is right there where that red dot is. Number 3, pinch out, come back in, is right there. Hit accept. And now our PDF is sitting in there, and you can see exactly where we are on this PDF. Next step is going to be to punch in the building corners, and we'll draw the house in.